Isolating your hoop on a vertical axis, up and down. So in poi, this would be considered a cat-eye, the way that your arm moves. I spin a lot of poi, so a lot of my hoop style comes from my poi and vice versa. So to do this, notice that the hoop is isolating up an invisible track, up and down. The idea is that the hoop is not going to move to either side, just up and down, isolating. So let's start with the hoop pointing backwards. My hand, right hand is forwards, palm to the inside, like I'm holding a bow and arrow. And as I bring my hand down, the hoop is going to come, point down. Depending on the size of your hoop as well, you won't be able to stick your arms straight down, because as you can see, my hoop would be hitting, well, my hoop is hitting the ground, and my arm is extended. From here, you move your hand back up, and the hoop should be pointing forward. Slow motion, arm comes down, rolls over the back of my hand, arm comes up. So my arm movement is going to stay in this bottom part of the circle. And my arm is a pendulum swinging back and forth. Forward, back, forward, back. Making sure to practice on the left and the right, both in your wall plane and side plane. You can start to play around with exchanging your hands. As one hand points here, I'm going to grab it with my other. Grab, underneath, grab. I guess I'm doing something different now. Why would you want to do this? Well, for me, I like the way that it feels. It's kind of meditative, and it looks nice. So another isolation. This was isolating your hand moving back and forth, the hoop moving up and down. For this, we're going to isolate the hoop in the top half of the circle. Again, start with your arm facing out. Rotate your hand around the top half of the circle and grab again. Grab, grab, grab. Another form of an isolation. Palm is facing in, hand is pointing out, hoop behind me. I let the hoop drop. I bring my hand up, it rolls, and then I grab again. Back and forth. And switch hands.